infrastructure interventions that we're having for the college. This is the project of modernization of the National Police College main campus, Kĩganjo.
I would suggest that on the library.
Tafadhali.
Thank you very much.
Wonderful. He definitely knows how to operate this truck.
A professional police service depends on professional officers. And professional officers depend on strong institutions, modern systems, high quality training, and an environment that prepares them for realities of the contemporary policing. Your Excellency, today's groundbreaking represents a major milestone in the modernization of Kĩganjo, Kenya's premier police training station. Following an assessment in 2022, the government of Kenya, the National Police Service, the National Police College Kĩganjo, UNODC, and the government of the United States worked together to turn recommendations into tangible action, resulting in this comprehensive project. This is not simply a construction project, Excellency. It's an investment in institutional transformation, in modern systems, technology, infrastructure, and the capabilities needed for professional, accountable, and effective policing. Already, the project has supported the digitalization of 5,060 recruit and personnel files, strengthening efficiency, security, and accountability in information management. Today, we take another important step through the upgrading of the college physical infrastructure. The significance of this investment extends far beyond Kĩganjo. Training institutions are where professional values are embedded, operational competence is developed, and the standards of modern policing are established. The facilities whose foundation we lay today therefore represent more than buildings.
It is really a great honor to be standing here as we launch a transformative initiative that will enhance the National Police Service College main campus here in Kĩganjo. This 930 million Kenyan shilling project funded by the United States government is really a testament to our unwavering commitment to supporting Kenya in its pursuit of a modern, professional, and effective police service. We truly live in an era marked by complex law enforcement and security challenges, from the threats of terrorism and human and wildlife trafficking to the essential requirement of providing safe neighborhoods for children to thrive. We succeed when we face these challenges together. This project is the result of many conversations about how the United States could contribute to Kenyan plans to enhance professionalism of the police service and thereby promote public safety and citizen trust and confidence in the police. We believe that a well-trained, well-equipped, and professional police service is essential in fostering a safe and secure environment for all citizens. This project will create clear results. First, by strengthening knowledge development, enhancing instructor capacity, and building talent management into police training, we ensure police officers have the skills and knowledge necessary to address the challenges of modern policing.